Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change email on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap the menu icon in the top panel. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now tap on Account Center at the top. Scroll down to the Account Settings section and tap on Personal Details. Here, tap on Contact Info. This is where you manage your Facebook email addresses. Now select Add Email Address. Enter the new email address you want to add to your Facebook account, and then choose which account this email should be associated with if you have multiple accounts linked. After that, tap Next at the bottom. Facebook will send a verification email to confirm your new email address. Check your email inbox, open the verification email from Facebook, and click the confirmation link to complete the process. Once verified, you can set this as your primary Facebook email or keep your old one. You can also remove old email addresses from the contact info section. And that's how you change email on Facebook. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more Facebook tips and account management tutorials. Thanks for watching.